Hello everyone, today's I'll show you how to earn 0.52 BNB. Now I have 0.005 BNB on my wallet. First of all, we click on the browser button and search Haven1.lol. Foreigners has all information. H1 is Haven1 Foundation's project. Scroll down, copy the smart contract. Go back to your wallet. Click the Add Custom Token function of the app. Go back to your Airdrop website. Then click Claim Haven1 token button, click Connect and confirm to the website. Go back to your website. And click Swap button. And click Swap button, wait transactions. Congrats, you received 0.52 BNB. But just enjoy a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more airdrop.